lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Work video. So today I'm just going to start off by doing a basic infill, which means I already prepped my client's nails and primed, and it's ready for my acrylic application. So just in case you missed that video on how I prep my client's nails for an acrylic infill, you can go ahead and click the link in the cards above, and it will also be linked in my description box below to take you straight to that video. So what I'm doing here, I'm just taking my clear acrylic powder and I'm placing a small to medium sized bead. It depends on the size of my client's nails that I'm working on at that point in time. And I'm going to place it to the cuticle area, pat that bead from side to side, making sure that my cuticle area is nice and flush. And then I'm going to pull that bead to blend into the old acrylic that was previously there. So that is all I did for this. After doing this, I waited for the acrylic to set, and then I went in off camera and I filed, shaped and buffed, and then we're just going to jump straight into the design. So to start off my design today, I'm starting off with this glitter gel polish by MadamGlam, and this is from their diamond collection. And I love this glitter, guys. It only takes 2 coats to give you full coverage, curing in between each coat for 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite pink right now. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this pink, like for real. And I love MadamGlam gel polishes because most of them cover in 2 nice thin coats. Some even cover in 1. So I would list all the names of the gel polishes that I'm using in this video in my description box below for those of you who are interested, as well as my 30% off coupon code. Now guys, I did talk to MadamGlam about the code not working, and they told me that you have to use the link in the description box provided to get the 30% off. So if you're interested, go ahead and click that link, enter the code, and tell me in the comment section if it works or not, and I will keep them posted. Okay, so do let me know because I want you guys to take advantage of this 30% off. It is awesome, and you are definitely going to be getting a very good brand of gel polish. As far as my gel polish layout for this set goes, I did 2 nails with this pink on its own, and then I went in on another nail and I took this same pink and a lavender gel polish and created an ombre nail. I applied my white gel polish to 1 nail and then that glitter nail that I shared with you guys previously. So after doing all of this and I cured and make sure everything is well and dry, I did go in with my no wipe gel top coat and then I cure that again. And I'll meet you guys right back with the next step to this design. So we are almost finished. So the next step to this design, I'm taking my Wildflowers white chrome pigment and a makeup sponge applicator, and I'm going to cover this entire nail with that chrome pigment. After I do this with my makeup sponge applicator, I am going to go in with my silicone tool and I'm going to burnish that chrome into that nail to get it all nice and smooth and shiny and just so pretty. Oh my god, I love this chrome. I really do. I don't regret it, and I've had this for a while and I use it constantly, and you guys can see it is barely used, because a little really does go a long way. So after doing this, I am going to take my fan brush, and I'm sorry about my nail peeking out of my gloves. He decided to make a guest appearance in this video today. So now I'm taking my really stiff fan brush and I'm just removing the excess chrome before going in with my no wipe gel top coat over it. And on my ombre nails, I'm just going to lay down some crystals. So I'm starting by applying my gem gel because you guys know how much I love my gem gel. And I am using an old brush. Now this is the brush I used to apply my gem gel always. And I'm going to start off with this stone here because it reminds me of the white chrome, and it is just so gorgeous in the center. And then I'm just going to randomly place some crystals around it, across from it, whatever. I wasn't too sure as to how I wanted to lay my stones, so I was just playing around with it. And guys, I am using that placement tool that I reviewed a few videos back from Beauty Big Bang. And if you're interested, I would leave that review in the cards on your screen right now, and I'll also link it in the description box below, so you guys can definitely check it out. I'm really loving this tool right now. Okay, so as I said, this video was really simple but so cute. And we have come to the end of this. After doing the stone placement, I just popped her hand into the light and I went back in with my no wipe gel top coat to secure my stones. And here is the final product. If you enjoy this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and click that subscribe button below and turn your post notifications on. I am thinking of an upload schedule, so tell me in the comment section below if I should have a schedule or not, which days y'all prefer. According to y'all, we'll see how it goes. So that is it, guys. I am out. As always, I'd love for you to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.